Do you want to code? Do you like to learn a hot new skill like Metaverse? Are you a fresher looking to get into the tech industry? You don't know how to code? No problem, leave it with us. What freshers should think about is, can one program change your life? Yes, all that is possible and so much more. Eduonix presents Anybody Can Code, the best coding program for beginners. Indulge in over 100 hours of interactive training. Learn over 5 programming languages from scratch, along with over 20 latest and trending tools and software. Work on real-world projects. Get an industry-accepted certificate on completion. This program is for freshers and people with no coding knowledge. Now, anyone can learn to code. Coding can change lives. Are you struggling to pay bills? Are you working 2 jobs and it's not enough? Coding can be your step toward redemption. This program will have 7 tiers in total. Each tier will help you upskill with specific tools and technologies in the world of coding. Concepts, trading software and tools, real-world projects, and a lot more. You'll learn about coding essentials to start off with and work your way through learning web development, machine learning, data science, along with app development as well. You'll also learn about ethical hacking, blockchain technology, and also the latest from the world of Metaverse. You can also learn to build your own freelancing career. Work on real-world projects that will set you up with the best hands-on experience from seasoned professionals in the world of coding. In addition, equip yourself with interview preparation. So what are you waiting for? Eduonix has helped millions of working professionals, freshers, and just about anybody with a will to upskill. With over 10 years of online learning pedigree, we provide best-in-class online learning material with trending tools and technologies. Some of our students are now working in Fortune 500 companies. Learn from global instructors along with industry experts at their helm. We have over 35 successfully launched projects and the trust of over 10,000 backers globally. We now bring the most curated and best value for money coding program to make you future ready. Help us spread the word by supporting and sharing the campaign, as this program aims to take coding to the next level and beyond. Hurry, avail various early bird benefits on Perks.